Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to install nftables in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Installing and setting up nftables across different Linux distributions. Debian-based distributions, install nftables. Enable and start nftables. Check status. Red Hat-based distributions, install nftables for modern systems. For older versions, enable and start nftables. Check status. Arch-based distributions, install nftables. Enable and start nftables. Check status. OpenSUSE-based distributions, install nftables. Enable and start nftables. Check status. Setting up a basic nftables table and chain. Before you add specific rules, create a table and a chain. In these examples, we'll create a table named filter and a chain named input for filtering incoming packets. Create the table. For IPv4, create a table called filter. Create the chain. Create a chain called input attached to the filter table with the hook to process incoming packets. The following command sets the chain type to filter, attaches it to the input hook at priority 0, and sets the default policy to accept. Note: adjust the default policy as needed. For example, drop if you want to block unsolicited connections by default. Common nftables rule examples. These rules are added to the filter table under the input chain. Allow SSH, port 22. Allow HTTP, port 80. Allow HTTPS, port 443. Allow a specific port, for example, 8080. Deny a specific port, for example, 8080. Deleting a rule. Delete by handle. First, list your rule set to identify the rule handle. Once you find the desired rule with a handle, for example, handle 5, remove it by basic nftables configuration commands. List the current rule set. Save the current rule set to persist your configuration. Load rules from a saved configuration file. Important notes: unified syntax. nftables unifies IPv4 and IPv6, filtering rules under a single, simplified syntax. Kernel compatibility. Ensure your Linux kernel is 3.13 or later to fully support nftables features. Persisting rules. Save your configuration to a file, such as etcnftables.conf, so that your rules are reloaded on reboot. This comprehensive guide should help you install Set up and manage nftables on your Linux system, from creating basic tables and chains to configuring common firewall rules. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.